Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to fix login issue on Maya app in just a few simple methods. So let's dive in. First, what you can do is by going to your phone's settings. From here, you want to scroll down and look for apps and search for Maya. Then there are several things you can do from here. First is by choosing to force stop the app. It's found at the lower left corner of the screen. Just click that to force stop Maya app and then try to open it again. That normally fixes the issue, but if it's not fixed yet, then go back to this menu and you can do other things here. Just like pressing storage, from here you have the option to clear data. That will clear up both data and cache. All right, and you can try again if it's now working. Then you can also try to uninstall the app from here. Found at the lower bottom of the screen, you can press uninstall and reinstall the app, and normally that also fixes the issue. But if it's still there, you can try the last method, which is by going to your phone's Play Store and search for Maya. And from here, you want to make sure that Maya app is up to date. If it's not, there will be a button there that says update. Simply press that to update your app. All right. Normally, outdated app will cause problem or issues on your Maya app. So once it's fully updated, just go ahead and open it again, and that will fix or should fix the issue. And that's about it. Now you know how to fix login issues on Maya app in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!